What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. And it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm outside of my job. I have to go in a few minutes. But I've gotten a lot of requests for this. And I just want to address it real quick, and I'll upload this. I want to address the fact that I don't put my ingredient list and the amount of ingredients into my videos. And there's a very good reason why I don't do that. So, to begin with, the reasons why I don't do that is because I'm an artist. When I say artist, I'm a musician. And I've always been. And I like to cook. My mom was a chef for 35 years. My dad loved to cook. I'm not a chef. I am a home cook who's picked things up from my mom and dad, and I like to experiment, and that's what I do. And I firmly believe, and I don't mean this to upset anyone, but cooking is an expression. It's not a copycat. So if I give you the list of ingredients and exactly how much, I'm happy with giving you the ingredients. But the exactly how much, why would you go and you would put in a tablespoon of salt because I said so, and you add nothing more? That's just a starting point. If you watch my videos, a lot of times, probably 90% of the times, I will say, oh, this is about 2 tablespoons of butter. By the end of the video, I might put another half a tablespoon in there because that's what it needed. So you have to taste your food, and you have to adjust based on the taste. So over time, when you start cooking, and this is what my incentive is you should start to understand what more butter brings to a dish, what more salt brings to a dish, what more pepper brings to a dish. And that's my incentive for not giving you the exact amount of ingredients, is so you can figure this out and do it on your own. So my videos are a blueprint. So you make this recipe your own. They are a blueprint. You watch them, and I say, put a half a tablespoon of oregano in it. You know, that's probably the case, but more than likely I'm going to add a little bit more, or it may not be quite that much. It depends on my taste. And that's my reason for not putting the exact amount of ingredients, because then it doesn't become an art form anymore. It just basically becomes you copying something else that someone else did. And that's not what cooking is about. Cooking is about a form of expression to bring something new and something that you like the taste of to your table, for your family, for yourself. But I really wanted to address that because I've got a lot of people stating that. Food Wishes is another guy who doesn't always put the list of ingredients there. He might tell you generally what it is. And he is a professional chef. You know, he's cooked in restaurants all of his life. He's a professional chef, but he says exactly the same things that I do. And I didn't watch him until I started YouTube, so that's just my opinion. Obviously, other people have different opinions, but I honestly tell you, make the dish your own. Taste it. Make sure you like it. That way, people that you're serving it to likes the food that you cook. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to address that very quickly because I've gotten a lot of requests for it. The ingredient list. Now, if I bake something, if I do a cake or if I do a pie, I will give you the exact amount of ingredients, and I typically will always follow that exact amount. Baking is a little bit more precision based, so you need to have those exact measurements. But cooking, express yourself, add what you need to, take it away. If you take one of my videos and it's a blueprint, and I don't add Worcestershire sauce, and you do, and it comes out great, thumbs up. That's what I like to see. And then you send me a message in the comments and say, I added this to it. Oh, man, let me try that the next time. That's my incentive. So, hey, guys, this is Big Tone. If you like the video or you understand what I'm referring to, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a video. Make sure you share it. And hey, guys, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.